come on in.
Welcome.
Today we're going to be installing barn doors in our bedroom. We have a small issue here at Confusion Corner at the entry of our bedroom that the doors actually hit. Bit of a design flaw from the 80s. So to alleviate that, we're actually going to keep this entry door and we're going to be installing a barn door here and a barn door at our closet to maximize the space, give us as much room as possible. If you have these doors open, it really cuts into the space. Also, the barn doors go with the rustic feel that we're trying to go for in our bedroom that matches our solid pine bed.
First part of this project is getting the old doors off the frames. The old doors are off the frames. All we have to do now is bring the new doors up, and I've already broken a pretty decent sweat, so there we go.
We're beginning to install the barn doors and we're about to put in the 72-inch track for the barn doors from Finer Doors. These can be found at any EC Barton store, including Bargain Outlets, Surplus Warehouse, and Barton's Lumber. We started putting the barn doors together and realized that one piece does not come with the actual package, and that's going to be a 1x3, 72-inch long piece of wood. We'll take this, stain it, and we're going to use this for the install as well.
All right, so we're wrapping up the very first door that we've hung. Went pretty smooth, really happy how it turned out. So now we got a nice slider and open, no more Confusion Corner. Now it's on to the next. Once that's done, I think we're really gonna like this project. We're all wrapped up with the dual sliding barn door in the master bedroom. Second door went up just like the first one. Pretty easy, no big hang-ups. And Lynn's gonna show you a little bit about how we no longer have Confusion Corner.
With this new barn door, we're able to open this completely, have no issues, and everyone can walk in and out of the bathroom not having to worry about getting conked in the head with this door. Not only do we have more efficient room space, but we have a cohesive design that allows us to really bring together the rustic feel that we're looking for. Until next time, in our next project, follow us on EC Barton's family blogs, including Surplus Warehouse, Bargain Outlets, and Barton's Lumber.